Frustrated that your ZeroWater filters only last a couple of weeks? Well, you're not alone. ZeroWater is notorious for reaching capacity or getting filled up with contaminants quickly. In this video, I'm going to explain how long ZeroWater filters should really last and a few reasons that contribute to a shorter lifespan. I've also got a secret hack that ZeroWater probably doesn't want you knowing about because it'll help you save a ton of money buying filter replacements. So how long do ZeroWater filters last, and more importantly, how long should they last? Well, it all depends on your water quality. ZeroWater filters are designed to remove total dissolved solids, and the higher the TDS, the faster the filter will clog up. This chart from ZeroWater shows how high TDS levels can shorten filter life. The higher the TDS and concentration of contaminants, the shorter the filter lifespan. And of course, that works and vice versa as well. If your water is less contaminated, you can expect your filters to last longer. And keep in mind, since ZeroWater reduces TDS, it's getting rid of the good stuff along with the bad. So that means the reduction of healthy minerals like calcium and magnesium is impacting the ion exchange capacity of the resin in the filter. To put it simply, the more stuff that's being pulled out of the water, the good or the bad, the faster the filter will get filled up and need to be replaced. Now, water quality is the main factor that affects how long ZeroWater filters last, but usage plays a role as well. The more water you filter, the faster it fills up with contaminants. So if you drink a lot of water, you can expect the filter to reach its capacity quicker. The best way to monitor and know when it's time to replace your filter is by using the included TDS meter. According to ZeroWater, if it reads 006 or higher, it's time for a new filter. A noticeably slower flow rate or an off-putting, acidic taste or a fishy smell are all signs the filter might not be removing contaminants effectively and needs to be replaced. Now, want to know how to extend your ZeroWater filter life and save money? Here's a clever trick most people don't know about. But first, do me a huge favor, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos about clean water. As I'm sure you know, ZeroWater filters can be a bit pricey. And by a bit, I actually mean really pricey. In fact, they're the most expensive filters out of all the systems we've tested so far, coming in at a whopping 70 cents a gallon. But here's the secret, which will extend their lifespan and save you some cash on filter replacements. You can use a cheaper pitcher like a basic, Brita, or Pure to pre-filter before your ZeroWater. I'll link to a few that work great for this in the description. These filters cost an average of 15 cents a gallon and will remove some of the contaminants first, making your expensive ZeroWater filter last longer, leading to fewer filter replacements and lower overall expense. Also, ZeroWater didn't perform particularly well in removing disinfection byproducts in our own independent testing. Chloroform was detected in the ZeroWater filtered water, which suggests it might not be the best at reducing organic chemicals. So pre-filtering should help reduce these along with some other inorganics and metals. Rather than another pitcher, you could also use a Brita or Pure faucet attachment filter to accomplish the same thing. The advantage here being that faucet attachments filter water on demand, so you wouldn't have to wait for water to filter through two pitchers before using it. Alternatively, you could also pre-filter your water using your old ZeroWater cartridge. Here's how it works. Once you have one that hits 006 TDS, stick it in another pitcher and use that to pre-filter your water before running it through a brand new filter. You just need 2 ZeroWater vessels for this option, either a couple of pitchers or a pitcher and a dispenser. This pre-filtering trick can easily cut your ZeroWater filter replacement costs from 40 to 70% depending on your water quality and usage. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and stick around for the next video about our real-world lab test of a ZeroWater system. Click or tap to watch that one now.